Hello, good morning. My name's Mark Walmer. I'm here preparing for a presentation or a short interview on WHTM Channel 27. I'm trying to practice my timing and my information, and that's why I'm making this video. So I want to tell you a little bit about Record Eraser, which is my company. Record Eraser Pennsylvania is a service that offers people who've been arrested or convicted of crimes in Pennsylvania the help they need to have their criminal record expunged, pardoned, and/or sealed. Our expungement and pardon services help you erase your Pennsylvania record. If someone asked me how long my business has been in operation, I would tell them that I've been a trial attorney for over 35 years, but that in 2013, I founded Pardon and Expungement Services, LLC, so that I could focus on helping people to clear old Pennsylvania criminal records. And now my practice is exclusively limited to that practice area. Why is an attorney needed to try to eliminate a Pennsylvania record? Well, the answer is it depends. Pardons do not need to be filed by an attorney, but an attorney can be helpful to actually find the criminal record, to review and analyze it, to see what can be cleared and when, and to tell you whether you need an expungement or a pardon. If you file a pardon on a case that can be expunged, that's a waste of time. If you file an expungement on a misdemeanor or a felony that needs to be pardoned by the governor before it can be expunged, that's simply going to be a waste of money and it's going to be denied. So while an attorney is not necessary to file for a pardon, our experience is very useful in terms of explaining how the crime occurred, what you've done with your life since then, and why you're a good candidate to receive the pardon. We can also be helpful in filing the expungements, which need to be filed in the county of the conviction and is relatively easy. If someone asks me what records can be cleared and when, I would say every case is different. First, it needs to determine whether or not you need a pardon or an expungement, which means first what you need to do is find your record to review it. We'll find your record, we'll look it up, we'll review it, and we'll tell you what can be cleared and when at no cost. Then we'll know whether you need a pardon or an expungement and whether or not record sealing is advisable. Expungements are used to remove older summary offenses and charges that you weren't convicted of, such as ARD or a summary offense after 5 years or a juvenile conviction or something of that sort. Pardons are needed to remove misdemeanor and felony convictions before they can be expunged. Additionally, we have noticed that it is harder to find an accurate criminal record because of recent changes in the clean slate legislation, allowing older misdemeanors to be sealed or hidden or to provide limited access to them, which means we need to go uncover those old misdemeanors in order to see if they can be pardoned and how to go about it. How long does the process take? Well, once you know which you need, the answer is pretty straightforward. A pardon is currently taking about 2 years from the moment the pardon application is filed. It takes a month or two to prepare it. Once it's filed, it takes a year or two for the board to review it. And then the 5 board members vote on it. You need to get at least 3 out of the 5 board members to vote for it to go to the governor, and the governor's the 6th vote. So that's currently running about 2 years plus or minus. An expungement is a relatively quick 3 to 5 month process filed in the county of conviction, where a judge of the Court of Common Pleas reviews your expungement petition, the district attorney gets to review it, and then eventually the judge will sign a court order ordering the Pennsylvania State Police and various agencies to erase their records and destroy the records. At that point, a record is completely expunged. How can our viewers get started with your services? That's easy. Visit recorderaser.net and fill out the form with your story. I need your first name, last name, date of birth. Give me your email and a phone number so I can stay in touch with you. And we'll research your record for free to tell you what can be cleared and when. We're also hosting a free clinic on September 24th from 10 to 2 at our office location at 1356 Harrisburg Pike in Lancaster to help people file their own pardon applications, which is something that's only available for the month of September. And you can go to recorderacer.net and look for more information about that as well. Thank you for listening.